Former Senator Gringo Honasan is attempting to go back to the Senate floor in next year's elections.
We're going to talk to him on the line to discuss his campaign plans and advocacies if he wins a Senate seat. Good morning, Senator Gringo. Thanks for joining us again.
Nako, good morning, Diego and Angela. Nice to talk with you again.
Yes, naalala ko po dito niyo upo unang sinabi na talagang mas malaki yung porsyento.
80% daw.
Oo, na kayo ay tatakbo bilang senador this year para po sa 2025 midterm elections. And meron po kayong quote na nababalita po sa ating mga news report dito tungkol po dun sa inyong unfinished business. Can you tell us more about it?
Well, first of all, we are on the reform mode. When we talk of reform, we're talking of changes, improvements in the system, addressing the institutional problems. And what are these reforms that are needed? Meron tayong fiscal reform, land reform, agrarian reform, electoral reforms. And for us, Diego, Angela, we started this about 40 years ago, even before 1980.
Senator, can you hear us? Medyo nawawala si former Senator Gringo Honasan. We'll try to
fix the line.
Yes, fix the line and get back to him.
Ayan,
Senator, can you hear us?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, I can hear you.
Ayan,
Angela.
There you go po.
Okay. Anyway, so nasa reform mode tayo ngayon. And all the policy interventions, and if the people will trust us again to attend to unfinished business, we will have to make sure that we connect all the reforms through laws to the basic needs of our people, which is food, clothing, shelter, education, health, access to data, and of course, national security. So that's what we intend to do if we are given the chance to go back to the Senate again.
Senator Honasan, you also mentioned when you guested here about modernizing the department so that they can communicate with each other easily and real time using modern IT advancements. Ano po plano nyo dito if makabalik kayo to dagdagan po ba natin ng budget ang ibang department, yung DICT, or i-modernize natin lahat po ng departamento?
Ang issue talaga rito, Diego, Angela, is connectivity. Our marching orders during our tour of duty at the DICT was connect government to other governments, domestic and global, connect government to business for productivity, connect government to the citizens and everybody to each other. And we should do that faster, cheaper, if not free.
Okay.
In fact, Diego, Angela, during our tour of duty as Secretary of the Department of Information and Communications Technology, connectivity improved by 800%. Internet speed improved by 500%. So we plan to continue that through legislative intervention.
Okay.
Pagdating po sa usapin ng politika, marami po nagtatanong ngayon na former senator, kapag nanalo po kayo kung sakasakali, saan daw po kayo sasali? Majority or minority bloc?
Ngayon naman kasi wala na dapat na minority at majority, because we should be issue and platform based. Until a clear political opposition with an alternative program emerges, we are offering a party we recently formed, the Reform Party, that has a clear platform and program and party discipline para we can offer our people, the electorate, a broader base of choices. But again, Diego, Angela, we are doing this not for ourselves, but for the future, our next generation of citizens and leaders, our children, and in my case, our grandchildren who are much better than us.
Pero former Senator, recently po doon sa mga surveys na nababalita po namin, hindi po kayo nakakapasok doon sa Magic 12, ika nga ano po bang gagawin natin para po kahit papaano umusog po yung numero natin? And willing din po ba kayo mag-guest, kumbaga candidate sa ilang, kunyari po sa BBM administration?
Well, I'm open, as long as it's the alliance. The engagement will be platform and issue-based, So, kung aampunin tayo, Angela, no, Diego, I have no problem with that. But it must be on the basis of common platforms, programs, and vision for the future of this blessed country. Dahil, remember our last conversation. No? What did we learn? The Philippines' main asset is its geography.
That's right.
I learned that in 2.5 years at the ICT. If we can fix our own backyard and reduce the partisan politics a little, we can be the digital hub, the political hub, the economic hub, the cultural hub, the spiritual hub, the security hub, not only of the Pacific area, but of the globe. Yung mga nahihirapan sa ibang bansa, dapat sa atin pumunta for long-term investment. So sayang yung potential natin. But, we have to do this together as a people. One flag, one nation, no? One people, together, dreaming hard, praying hard, and working hard.
Alright, on that note, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. That was former Senator Gringo Honasan. Thank you so much, sir.
Maraming salamat, Angela, Diego, mabuhay kayo.